All right, back over here at Darren's. How you doing, man?
Good, good.
So you got some news, some updates on the El Camino. What's going on?
Yeah, well, we finally got her all broken in. It's been a while. Got about 500, 600 miles on her and had to go get her tuned. Came with a basic tune, so we had to finalize the tune. Brought her out to Camarillo to throw a tune on her, and she's good to go now.
And so you took it to New Era Performance.
New Era Performance in Camarillo. Yeah.
And they didn't really have to squeeze much out of it, huh?
No, he says it's pretty good. He says Blueprint Engines is what I got in the combo, and he says they do a nice package, and he was only able to squeeze about 5% more horsepower out of it, clean up a few things, which is nice, and I do notice that, which is really nice.
Yeah, you had an issue where when you were rolling up, pressing in the clutch, it was trying to die.
Yeah, it's almost kind of died. What it is, I don't know if it was set up for an automatic, because, you know, the 4-speeds, when I come in and I'd take it out of gear and pull up to a light or something like that, the RPMs would drop so much, it'd almost scary. It'd be like, bo-bo, 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 and then it'd come back up. So it would drop too low for me, and he took a spin and he goes, oh yeah, I could fix that. Next thing you know, he does a little thing, and now it's working great.
Excellent, excellent. And you said it was popping a little bit in the top end?
Yeah, a little bit of popping. He said it was a little rich.
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought it was lean, but he says, no, it was a little rich on the top end. So, but it was great, man. I got it on the dyno, and a little scary watching that thing.
Yeah, do not stand in front of it, man.
Just revving that motor up. I'm like, oh, waiting for smoke to come out. But no, thank God nothing happened. So it all worked out and shut down, and it was a good feeling. You know?
Cool. Yeah, so now basically it's done.
It's complete.
Yeah.
There is.
Well, it'll never. These things never.
It's an electrical thing. I got to fix my speedometer.
Oh yeah.
And my odometer. I got to add another module. I got a BIM module that goes with the Dakota Digital, and it's not reading properly. Everything is 50% off, so it's not a big deal. I just know if I'm going 40 miles an hour, I know I'm doing 80. So
okay.
That's the only thing. It's just a
little tiny
thing. I just don't want to get in there, open up the wire loom, catch the wire, and
yeah.
I will one day. I just haven't done it yet.
And maybe air conditioning next year.
Yeah, that's definitely on the table. So once we get through this summer, we'll probably do some AC next year.
Okay.
Or spring.
So now this thing can be driven, and where's the first place you're driving it?
First place driving it to Burbank, Autotopia.
Yeah. Darren's going to be filming an episode of Autotopia next.
Yeah.
Which is super cool, man. Sean's a nice guy, and this car is perfect for that show. Mm-hmm. So
I hope so, man. It's going to be an experience. It's fun, a little scary. You know, you're going to just get a film. It's like, you know, we kind of threw it out there, sent an email, and it's like, oh my God, he replied.
Yeah.
Oh, you really going to do this? Yeah, we got to shoot Tuesday, 10 a.m., be there. I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah. Tell the story of the car again.
Yeah.
And to a much bigger audience, because he's like 820,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
So a lot of people will be watching. And not a lot of El Caminos on there. I think there's been
I saw a couple, but none as nice as this one.
Yeah. There you go.
No, he's had I think 4, because I Googled it and went into YouTube and I put El Camino on his page, and I think 4 of them came up. Some were older, one of them was newer.
Okay.
But he hasn't had a 69, I don't think.
Perfect. So you get to represent.
They'll help him out too.
Yeah. So that's the update on the El Camino, and maybe we can go for a quick ride and see how this thing rolls.
Sounds good.
Let's do that.
There we go. Going to the tuner. New Era Performance. First bang. There we go, right there.
this point.
Oh yeah.
Started in the 80s.
Yep.
Back at it.
See, notice it doesn't die as much anymore. I don't know if you noticed it. You haven't driven it too much, but
No, I don't know if I really did ride in it when it was doing that, you know.
yeah. See, now it's staying nice and high. Before it would drop down to blah 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 blah.
Yeah. It's a smile on that man's face. Sounds good and tight, man.
Yeah. We'll let it warm up a little more.
Yeah. How's the handling feel to you?
It's okay. It still feels like an old car. You know, it's got the modern suspension, but it feels like it's kind of a mix. It still
Could
feels
be
like
dialed in.
I guess so. I just don't know. It doesn't feel like a. I thought it was going to be tighter. It's still got the looseness, a little bit of roll.
All that can be adjusted.
Yeah, I just need to figure out how to do that. I don't know how
Yeah,
to do
well, we'll work on that.
Slippy. There's no traction.
Hanging on. God, dude. Woo. Oh, my Lord, dude. Oh, my God.
There's just no traction.
Terrifying in the passenger seat. Oh my gosh. Miles and smiles though. Jesus. Yep. Reminds me of high school. Same car, same faces.
Oh yeah. Nice and smooth though.
Oh God, dude. Sounds like it's got a supercharger on it. It whines,
That's
man.
just coming from my butt.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the whistle you hear.
Woo! Yeah, I'm
Pucker,
serious.
pucker.
Yep. Oh my God. It's exciting.
Oh yeah, no, it's so fun. So fun. It's so nice. I mean, it's just getting back into it and driving it. It's just
Reminding
nice.
yourself how to drive it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. God, this thing's a freaking animal. I mean, this thing's always been an animal.
Yeah.
I mean, even from the factory, it was psychotic.
That's true. Yeah.
396 with a manual transmission and a pickup truck. What the hell was GM thinking? It's power, man. I don't know. Does anybody really need this much power?
Yes.
Yes, they do. Woo. Damn exciting. Yeah, this thing is ruthless, man. It's just ruthless.
Oh, it's fun. So nice.
Perfect day.
Oh yeah, isn't it? That summer day, we're in like 70s.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yep.
Normally we're 105 in the valley.
Yep. It's beautiful right now. Well, that was exciting, dude. Gee willikers, man. This thing's a monster.
Oh, a little fun, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's been a long journey to get to this point, but Darren's car is done. On to the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Good luck at Autotopia.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and I'll put a link to Autotopia when that comes out in the description below. See ya. Peace.